Greenheck, building value in air.
Welcome to the video tutorial for the eCAPS bridge, an add-in that directly links the Greenheck content library and the capabilities of eCAPS into Revit, providing you with the fastest and easiest way to get HVAC content into your project. Once the add-in is downloaded and installed, a Greenheck tab will be visible in Revit. The Greenheck ribbon will have 5 main buttons to choose from. Select by Performance, Select by Model, eCAPS Jobs, Reselect, and Schedule. The Select by Model button pulls up the Greenheck Revit content library, similar to our website. Filter through and download or directly insert content into the Revit project. The Select by Performance button goes through the familiar eCAPS workflow. Content from here will contain embedded performance and electrical data. After making a performance-based selection, select the R to trigger the slide-out menu. From here, content can be downloaded or directly inserted into the Revit project. Cut sheets for the current selection are also readily accessible. The Reselect button is triggered when a reselectable LOD 300 Greenheck family is highlighted in the Revit project. The original selection can be renamed to avoid overrides. User input is automatically extracted from the Revit file and used to repopulate the original inputs in eCAPS, recreating the initial selection. From here, the necessary changes can be made and the modified selection can be either downloaded or inserted into the Revit project. The eCAPS Jobs button grants access to the list of jobs saved to a user's eCAPS account. Open jobs and download or insert the saved selections directly into the Revit project. The Schedule button simplifies the creation of Revit schedules based off Greenheck's eCAPS schedule template and LOD 300 parameters. Add, remove, or reorder parameters for the fans, gravity, and HVLS schedule templates, then create up to all 3 of those schedules with just one click. The eCAPS Bridge for Revit add-in is available for download from greenheck.com. If you have questions, be sure to contact us. Thank you for watching.